Hi everybody, I am myself Harika from grade 7 in Kamal Garden Public School. Now I am going to perform an activity based on air. Before that, I want to say a few words on it. Air is all around us. We cannot feel and we cannot touch. Now, in science it is called as air is a mixture of several gases. It consists of nitrogen, carbon dioxide, oxygen, water vapor. They are also its main constituents. Now, there are so many gases in air: nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, dust, helium, argon, water vapor. So many gases that we cannot say. Now, in air, nitrogen is present by 78% and oxygen is present in air by 21% and carbon dioxide is present in air by 0.03%. Now, one small riddle for you. What is envelope of air which is around the earth? Of course, it is atmosphere. There are 5 layers of air which protect us from the ultraviolet rays of sun. They are thermosphere, exosphere, mesosphere, and we cannot, the scientists, there are so many uses of air. It uses for pollination of flowers, dispersal of seeds and fruits. They are used for movement of sailboats and aircrafts. Now I am going to perform an activity based on air pressure. My aim through this experiment is to prove that air flows from high pressure to low pressure. Things required for this experiment are a bottle with a hole in middle of it and a balloon. Rules for this are: first, insert the balloon inside the bottle and fix it to its grip. Now, if you wonder, if we try blowing air from its brim, the balloon will inflate or not. Let us check it. You can see the balloon is not inflated. Now, if we try blowing from its hole, the balloon, by only inhaling or sucking the air which is inside the bottle, the balloon will inflate and blows bigger. Let us check it. The balloon was inflated when I inhaled the air which was inside the bottle. I will show you once again. The balloon is inflated. Close the hole with the help of your finger so that the air inside the bottle won't go out. Now, do you wonder how if I do from the hole, only it is inflated? Because the air inside the bottle is pressurized when I blow the air from its hole. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity to show my talent.